Okay. It's ruining the beginning of the video. Okay, so hi guys. I'm in the library again. It's making noise. It's a laptop while recording. So issues right here. Okay. So this is Lish. I don't know how to fucking name this. How do YouTubers do this shit? Pretty sure that cameras don't like backwards. Okay, well anyways, we're in the library. Hey, books I will never read. Okay, can you use me again? Some kind of horrible lighting. Okay, there's a laptop. Okay, other side. So yeah, little Hope I have blue hair, Rockabilly Blue Minute Panic. Oh, wrong side. I don't like this camera right here. Black hair, redyed it. New nostril piercing. Which one? Touch the one that I just did on the side. This one? Okay, that one. I got that done, I got my set done. You know, that little guy right there. Yes, you might say my balls are too big. I've been told that many times. But, oh yeah, and I'll go this side. Stretching my ears. 12 gauge right now. I'm about to drop the fucking laptop. Oh, also with my hair, we got some weird purple spots because the red didn't want to come out. And then we got some green parts because Rockabilly Blue does not do well with birds. Which I've known that before. I used Rockabilly several times before. Okay, I don't know why I'm just talking about hair back. My friend again. Hi. Oh, I found you. Okay. Nice job. There's someone. Someone coming near us. Walking backwards right now. I'm in the library. People behind me. Okay, we're good. I love the library. We're trying to go to the library. Who's trying to find us? Like, no, don't find us. Okay, I'm probably whispering. You guys probably can't hear me. Oh, I'm too close to the camera. Okay, well, yeah. Well, no, I don't turn it up. Well, yeah, but just you could turn the volume up. Okay, oh yeah, short hair. I cut my hair, dyed my hair myself. Give a fuck what you say if it looks horrible. Because, you know what, that's your opinion. Feel bad I'm not getting you in here. Yeah. But, update about a band. Okay, a band. Well, Death as a Promise didn't work out. Me and Kelly had different views on how the band was. You know, I want like deathcore and metalcore. You know, just like hardcore, punk rock. I guess, I don't know. Whatever. But I like walking around. I feel like a YouTuber. Okay. So, yeah, me and Lindsay made Small Kid. She came up with the name. We don't have an exact gender yet. Hopefully we're going to be uploading stuff soon. We are learning music and planning to upload some, what do you call it? No, not demos, covers. Uploading some covers. I just said covers. I'll make you come. No, sorry. Okay, that was really awkward. Let's pretend that just didn't happen. Yeah, so, like, Bring Me the Horizon, this band that she talked about, all girls. That's it? Okay, thank you. Conquer and Divide. Yeah, they are amazing. Go check them out. And Ghost Town, my #1 favorite band ever. Oh my god, there you are. I thought you went away. Okay. So, spin you around. Okay, well, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Just casually holding a laptop in the air. Well then. Well, yeah, I guess maybe we'll make another video right after this, just to make you guys laugh. I don't know. Well, yeah. See you guys soon.